Welcome to this tutorial that explains how to use an interactive Excel dashboard for managerial accounting. We will be talking about the data set that populates a dashboard, about what a dashboard is, and other things you need to know to complete this case. This interactive Excel dashboard uses the Jubilee Superstores data set. Jubilee Superstores is a fictitious retail business that sells several products through physical stores, its website, and catalogs. The data set contains more than 1,000 sales and cost transaction records for 2 years. Jubilee Superstores operates in 5 regions. Again, all data and names are fictitious. Before you start the project, be sure to update your version of Microsoft 365. For the project, Microsoft 365 Excel is required. For update instructions, search on the web for Excel 365 Update Windows or Excel 365 Update Mac. It's pretty quick to update, so take the time now to update. You need to use the Excel app installed on your computer for this project. Excel Online will not work for this project, nor will the Excel app on a phone, tablet, or other mobile device. Excel software is slightly different in the Windows version versus the Mac version. This tutorial video covers both versions. The Excel file that you use to complete the project will differ depending upon whether you are using Windows or Mac, but the process will be the same. Here's a screenshot of the Excel interactive dashboard. The dashboard is interactive because we can select the distribution channel and the product to see the various levels of contribution margin associated with those selections. This screenshot shows the Windows version of the dashboard. This screenshot shows the Mac version of the Excel interactive dashboard. The dashboards provide the same information but are constructed slightly differently due to differences between Excel for Windows and Excel for Mac. Now let's talk about dashboards in this case. After completing this case, you will be able to 1. Describe a dashboard, 2. Define a slicer, and 3. Analyze profitability data using the dashboard. Let's start with some Excel dashboard basics. A dashboard is an interactive tool that allows the user to extract and analyze relevant insights while displaying information in a visual way. Analysis performed with the aid of an interactive dashboard is easier and quicker than scrolling through multiple views and lots of data. A slicer is a button that can be clicked to filter a table or pivot table in Excel. It also allows you to quickly see what filter criteria are currently being used. In this interactive Excel dashboard, there are 2 slicers to filter the data, one for distribution channel and one for product. You click on the button in each slicer to indicate which data you want to display. In this specific dashboard, you can only choose one button at a time within each slicer. When those slicer buttons are clicked, the charts, dynamic headings, and tables change. Click on each of the slicers and observe how the related charts, tables, and other information change. Now we come to the thinking and analysis part. Think about the questions that you could ask and get answers by using the slicer buttons on the dashboard. The information a manager or other user of the dashboard needs can be retrieved just by clicking on a slicer or 2. It's that easy. I hope you have found this interactive dashboard tutorial useful and have learned some new things about Excel. This same dashboard concepts can be applied when using another tool such as Power BI or Tableau. It is much easier to use a dashboard than it is to click through multiple sheets of data for an answer. That's it. We are done with this project. This video was created by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.